friends, welcome to my channel Sahitya Sharu 26. Today I am going to tell you about phones. You can ask me, phones are useful to us. Yes, phones are useful to us. Like children to study and mothers to cook, etc. and etc. And phones are getting us problems also. Like we are seeing our phones long time and we are getting eye damage, health concerns, ear problems, etc. So many people are keeping charge and seeing their phone. It may blast and you will lose your life. So, dear parents, I request, please don't give your phones for kids because they will attract you to the phones. I hope you all understood about phones and you will use your phones less and you will save your life. Please like, share and subscribe to Sahitya Sharu and encourage me. Bye friends.